mermaid in my tub, just another passing fancy, a stick in the mud. Visions of Savannah and Georgia, April in the fall. Watch the water just wash away. Mondays at the mall. Tuesday afternoon pregnancy test. They say the third time is the charm. And I'm a busy bee, but you're the nest. You're the swarm. We turn to see what you saw. Picture of a picture. Me strung out on the floor. The memory of you knocking loudly, and me locking the door. Standing in the cold rain, just waiting for a bus. I can't seem to put a stamp on the pain that envelops us. Throw stones at your window, try to trick you, call you from the payphone by the store. Promise me you'll swear to lie about wherever it was that you were. I say pretty please, and you say what for. Clementines from mother, news clippings from dad, postcards from Jesse and Missy and Adam and Todd, holding up my hand to count the times I've thought about giving up and giving in and saying goodbye, just throwing in the towel. But there's not enough hands, fingers, or